Hey everyone, welcome you to my channel. This is the first channel Aapki Question. This is a mentor Aapki Question. Today we are here to discuss about that I'm going to share some point of views towards English of mine. But before it, you'll go ahead like subscribing and sharing my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon here and open all the notification of the channel, so that when I can upload the videos and I'll take the live sessions for everyone, it will go to you and you can go and check it online, and you can come to my live sessions as well, and you can comment because I'll give the 5 best comments, the first 5 comments, the best comments for me ever in life, the hearts, as well as I'll solve their problems also, but I'll try to solve everyone else's problem. But there are many views in like subscribing and my channel, so I'll feel somehow hesitant if go ahead liking, subscribing and sharing my channel with everyone also. So it's type of some messy for me, but I'll try to give everyone the best thoughts from this video today. And today I'm here to talk about that English is not such as important that you are going ahead with it, having such complexities in your life just because of the English. I said this to you because English is important. Yes, it is important in taking jobs as well as means. Since let me tell you the real truth about it. And if you don't like the real truth, it's alright for me because it's my channel, so I need to make the correct videos for everyone because it's mandatory for me as well as for you to know the right things from my videos. So let's get started with the video today, and let me talk about something very special for which I'm here. That is talking about English. Since I had made different videos on how to speak English, and one video about that how mandatory is the English for everyone in the daily life. Go ahead, see that present in the description box, or go ahead write into YouTube in the search box Happy Quiz channel English mandatory videos. You'll get it in the description box as well, and you'll get it there search box also. So let's get started with it. So English is important, and to contrast that we need a very successful life, and secondly it's being used all over the world. In the first part we had meant that it's important for everyone to speak in English because we are all having a different languages, relations and ideas about it. But it's important for everyone to speak in English also. And the second thing which I had in my thought is that English is important in the second thought for success also. Not I mean that it's mandatory for everyone because my English is also not so well good and extraordinary, and none and all mandatory for everyone. I'll speak in English with you in these also videos also, and I'll make a lot of mistake, I know, but I'll try myself to improve my English day by day and to go ahead seeing different video lectures, not on the YouTube. I don't see channels on the YouTubes. I'll go ahead on the Twitter or any English videos on the Instagrams. Right now I'm seeing that. But I think that they're not making much good videos because I'm making it good. Oh, I'm sorry for that. If you like, you can go ahead with it. Right. And the second which I really wanted to say to you was that in jobs and interviews, English is spoken right for the success. I'm just saying that English is important, but if you said to him that I wanted to speak in my own region language from which I belongs, if they are from a high level country and you have a good skill, they can go ahead with it, and they will take a mediator between you and me and go ahead, and they will discuss all the problems with you. But if you're not so much skilled as you want to be, it's all right because everyone is not perfect in the world. Everyone has been decided by the God, having a different personality, culture, relationships, and everything. Each and every person has a messiness in their life, and I don't think that there is something very important and messy with them. Talking about the second qualities, which I really don't like for the English, is that, and I seems that I'm liking it, but let's forget it and let's go ahead with it. The second thing which I really wanted to is that I think, and I thought, and in my point of view, in my opinion, if I'll say the English is important, since you need to in the first part I had told you why English is important, why English is mandatory, and blah 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 videos I had taught to you about English and all everything about idioms, phrases, and each and every videos are mine. If you like idioms, phrases video, you can go ahead in the comment section, write that we like your idioms and phrases videos. I can go ahead with that videos, but before that I want you to comment in the comment section and to like, subscribe, and share the channel with everyone. This channel with everyone. Second thing which I'm talking to you is that since you and me knows that if someone has a very good skill in English language, but if they hadn't, and if they are in need of job, they can go ahead anywhere in the world. They can get the job easily. Why? Because if the person who also belongs to any society and you are also from the same one and having the same religion, since you can see a person and determine that he is an Englishman or he is an Hindu, he is Muslim, he is having a different culture, he is having a different races, he belongs from a different country. You can, because it's a human perspective, it's a human emotion which connects us all over the world, and we can easily understand. If a person is a tourist, we can understand easily because it has some white faces and it looks smart, gorgeous looking, right? It will look beautiful, perfect. He has a perfect skill in English, speaking in English. And if a person belongs from some other country, right? If he belongs from a Hindu or Muslim or any Christian minority or majority, you can understand it easily. So you can go ahead and there and you can say that you belongs from this religion and the religion, and I also belong from that. So I want you to take my interview in the particular language in which I feel comfortable with it. So they can go ahead and will take the interview in your particular present language which you like, which they also like to speak. If they are, since you can really image a person as they are having this languages, this community they belongs in, each and everything, because it's a human opinion that they easily prospect and they can easily identify the person to whom they are seeing belongs from which community by checking their communication skills, by checking their face recognitions, and by checking their dressing sense. We all can, because we had seen that the Gujaratis are wearing saris and having lots and lots of tattoos on their bodies, and lots of they wear long chudi bangles in their hands, right? Some kind of very traditional they are. And if we are talking about some Englishman, they will be going ahead in the gown, or they'll go ahead in the hot pants, going on to the, and they look very beautiful, gorgeous looking, they're very white, and they will look like North Koreans, and their hair will be blonde, and they will look gorgeous, amazing, right? So we can easily prospect persons about this thing. You can also prospect persons, right?